This is Mrs. Satterley, and this video is your Destiny Quest and local library eBooks, videos, and eAudiobooks tutorial. Make sure you have watched the other videos before you watch this one. You can find eBooks in your school's library by clicking Advanced Search at the top. At the bottom, under Limit My Search to, select Format. Next to Format, you can select Electronic Books. Press Return or click Go. These are all the electronic books presently offered at our little library. Select one that interests you and write down the title. Then ask me or any other librarian to help you sign in and download your ebook on the appropriate device. You can do the same thing to find videos on DVD. So under Advanced Search, choose Format. You can go to Videos and press Return or Go. Here are DVDs that we have at our library. Another place you can access an ebook is at your local library. If you are under age 12, you will need to ask your parent or the librarian to help you with this. At the top of the list at the left, you will see Stream and Download. Click this and select eBooks. The High Plains Library offers two ebook providers, Hoopla and Overdrive. Let's look at Hoopla very briefly. In Hoopla, you can browse, you can see your borrowing history. But before you see any of this, you need to sign up and then you can access your eBooks. Also on your local library under Stream and Download, there's audiobooks, e-magazines, e-comics. You can even stream movies, music, and other online resources. The eAudiobooks also uses Hoopla and Overdrive. Again, if you click Hoopla and you make sure you sign in, then you can have access to all of your borrowing materials.